Hello everyone who watched to this video, and I'm very happy to illustrate to you about our project part 2. And our group contains members Zhang Dong and Xiaobai Li. And for the first part, we have implemented the Twitter clone engine, and this second part we use Suave, which is a powerful framework to implement the socket programming and the web part based on F#. So let's start. And for this file, we run this by running the WebSocket file. It is a backend file. And the front-end file is written by JavaScript and placed as a client part. You can type command in the front part. Later I will show you. Okay, now it started. The Suave listener started, and we open our web client, and you can see that we could type command there. Let's try something. I will show you all the functions that a Twitter should have. We put all this command in this type and separate the informations by this character. Here we register user 1, and you can see the response printed on the screen. Okay, for this part we only need 3 of the users for a simple illustration. Okay, register user password. Great, 3 users created, and I log in all of them. If the login succeeds, it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Great, and then test the follow. I let user 1 to follow user 2, subscribe succeeded, and let user 2 also follow user 1. You can see it succeed. And try to test tweet something. The tweet has a hashtag and also mentioned user 3. Succeed. Okay. Try to tweet another. Okay, also succeed. And try to retweet something. So let user 2 retweet something that original tweet by the user 1. You can see that succeed. So we could also query by the users. If user 1 log in, it will see the tweets that sent by the one who he followed, right? And also we could query by mention. So you can see that the mentioned one will see all the tweets that mention him. Also, we can search by the tag. So all the tag with UF showed in this page. So function display has succeed, has finished. Let us check the script, how we implement this. So for the client part, the WebSocket is built in this way. We use JavaScript, WebSocket onMessage, and WebSocket send mostly. And for each information command we send from the blank, if we click, those information will be separated and to form a JSON script. And then we transfer it to JSON object, then send to backend. Once we receive the response message from backend, socket will use the onMessage, and we will resolve it as a JSON object and extract the response content. then print it on the screen. So let's check the backend. Here is how we implement the backend WebSocket interface. And so in this socket, we keep looping receive message and match the message. And for the message, we convert it from the JSON type to our front message type we defined. And the front message type contains the operation type and the operation content. We match different operation type and give them different command sent to bank server, the server that are created by the actors, and get the result. We make the response message also with a response message type and response content, and transfer them to the JSON. Then we send them as a byte segment to front end. That's how we communicate between the client and WebSocket with the backend WebSocket. That's socket programming. That is the socket communication part. And also we transfer all the data in JSON-based format. Also, we could show that on the web page. So, thanks for your watching, and that's all.